Today we are field stripping, cleaning, and lubing the Glock 9mm handgun. First, we want to take out the magazine, make sure that there's nothing in the chamber. I'm going to point in a safe direction just to make sure we're going to go ahead and pull that trigger. Rack the slide back a little bit. There's two buttons on each side of the gun, and you're going to push those down while taking the slide off. And take the spring off the slide and take the barrel out of the slide as well. We've got these cotton rounds that we use along with some gun bore cleaner. This is a chemical you can buy at your local gun store. You use that cotton round, put the gun cleaner on it, put it on the rod, stick the rod through the barrel. Now you typically want to go in where the bullet goes in and out where the bullet goes out, in one direction. Do it once, twice, 3 times. Now this is called a bore snake. They come in different chambered sizes. Again, you want to feed it through where the bullet goes in and out where the bullet goes out. Pull straight out. Easy as that. Again, you can do this 2 or 3 times. Now we're going to start cleaning the rest of the gun. You want to clean the slide. It does get full of gunpowder. This is probably the part that gets the dirtiest, so you want to take your time here. You can clean off the barrel a little bit too, and a little bit of the spring. Next up, we just want to dry everything off. This is kind of a wet technique. I'm getting kind of deep with this. So you just want to make sure everything's dried off. You don't want dust collecting in there. And I even get another cotton round and dry it off even further, get in all the little crevices. So now that we're all done getting dry, we've got these 4 or 5 little spots that need lube. That's because they make metal on metal contact. If you use too much, especially on a concealed carry gun, you can start to get lint buildup, and it gets your gun a little bit dirtier a little bit quicker. So you just want to use just the right amount of lube. We're also going to lube the barrel, and you just want to get all around the barrel. Put it back in the slide. Put the spring back on. You want to line up these 2 little slots with our little metal wings there that we lubed up earlier. Line it up, push it on through, rack it back. We've got a gun again. You hear that click in that clock. That means that we are good to go. Give it a final wipe down. Load her back up again. And we're all set. Be sure to subscribe, like, and join our Discord.